Hi, this is a loading coil and it's motorized and compatible with the Yaesu Active Tuning Antenna System, also known as ATAS. Using this and a few wires, we can make antennas that can reach all the HF bands and tune between these using an ATAS capable transceiver like my FT891 or a controller like this next to the transceiver. Let's go outside and take it for a spin. For this test, I have made an adapter so I can use my telescopic antenna as the radiating element. That way we can test using different lengths of vertical, and I have connected radials of different lengths to the ground connector of the coil. I am first going to test my antenna using my Nano VNA, and unfortunately the Nano VNA does not implement ATAS. But worry not, I have made a separate ATAS controller that can be used together with transceivers that do not implement ATAS. The controller also isolates the transceiver from the DC that controls the coil in the ATAS system, so our Nano VNA should be safe. We start off by using the full length of my telescopic antenna, a little more than 5 meters, and run the controller up the bands. And as you can see, we are getting a good SWR reading on 80, 60, 40 and 30 meters. The full length antenna is too long to get on 20 meters and no coil can help with that. So let's shorten the antenna to about 2 meters and are able to tune 80, 60, 40, 30, 20, 17 and 15 meters. And shortening the antenna even down to 1.5 meters, we are still able to work down to 80 meters. Now, let's see the coil in action on 40 meters. Yeah, as you can see, there's something starting to happen on the SWR here. It's going down. I don't know why it stopped there. That did not seem to be a good spot. Let's see if we could... Okay, maybe not so bad. Okay. You can turn manually by pushing the PTT and up and down key. We can turn the coin manually while there's I think we actually got to 1-to-1 there. Let's try to key here. Wow, 1-to-1. 1-to-1 on 40. Using the antenna I use now is the whip with some radials. It's usually a quarter wave for 20 meters. But now we tuned it using the ATAS capable loading coil down to 40 meters. Wow, that's exciting. Now let's see if we could get some contacts there. Let's see if we could get some contacts as well. Hope the bands are okay today. Don't know. I didn't check that yet. Let's just see if the reverse speaking network can pick us up here. And then maybe we'll get some contacts. Okay, there's someone there, so we have to change frequency. Let's see. Maybe 38 7038. Nothing heard. Just taking the gloves on. I did not spot manually, so we're relying on the reverse speaking network here, or I have to cut the video to do manual spotting here. And there the reverse speaking network picked us up. Wow, 599, that's great. Yeah, great, first contact on the loading coil. Yeah, Juliet CQ parks in the air and standing by. Oscar Hotel 3, Charlie Uniform Foxtrot, QSL. Oscar Hotel Station, come again.
There's some QSP going on. Oscar Hotel 3, Charlie Uniform Foxtrot, Oscar Hotel 3, Charlie Uniform Foxtrot. Good morning, Øystein. You're about 5 and 5 here in Finland. Thanks for the TVQ, so but you.
Yeah, thank you for a 5x5. You are a 5x8 here, and I'm testing a new loading coil for my antenna, so it's good to have this exact report. 5x5, thank you.
Yes, really switching otherwise, readable and everything, but not that strong. Yeah, readable. Thanks for the videos again. 44.
Okay, thank you, 44. This prototype of the motorized ATAS compatible loading coil was by no means an easy build, and there are some improvements to be made. But for less than $20, I now have an ATAS antenna capable of reaching all the HF bands. If you want to know more about this build, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified on my next video. I'm Øystein, LB8IJ, and you have just listened to the Ham Radio Passion channel.